Hey guys, the gaming lovers, so a balcony with no stairs. So let's go build now the balcony with no stairs like a village. So I will show you how to build one. So first you need fences. Now you made some awkward stairs. Right, leave a light. So just put this right here. Slabs to look like real. So this balcony itself is very small. So let's add that. There we go. Now you're almost finished with the balcony. Just add some of this and place them as well. So that's it. Actually the balcony. You see the balcony is pretty. My farm didn't work, so I just placed redstone here. So because it's not working, because there's a torch here, so it's not working. There we go. Oh yeah, I didn't know. So this is all it. This end is gonna be so big. House gonna be sure. If you don't have a balcony, just comment down below. Now you need ladders. As that ladders, you know ladders. Yeah, they are so out of that. So we're just gonna make this right there. Okay, there it is finished. Now we made the ladder now. Perfect. So the next episode I will do the how to build a library tomorrow, guys, because we're going on vacation. So we're going to Cebu. So guys, that is bye.